80 years of freedom have made India stronger. Now it's our turn to take it forward.
On this 15 August 2026, the students of Ryan International School Sanpara stand not as passive observers of history but as young change makers learning to write the next chapter.
Our freedom fighters dismantled an empire. Now it's our turn to defeat poverty, inequality and injustice with education and empathy.
Here is a glimpse of our celebrations.
What message would you like to give to the citizens of world's largest democracy on this occasion of Independence Day?
Thank you. So my basic message is that let us do our own work. Always keep nation first and do something to your community, to your fraternity, and do it with passion.
Hearty welcome, happy welcome, cheerful welcome, great welcome.
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। आजाद रहे आबाद रहे तू, तारों को छूने तिरंगा।
Freedom is to do whatever, obey the God, honor the parents, respect the parents, love the country, love the neighbors and bless the country.
We should always have to take the responsibility of this freedom, independence. It comes with great responsibility and it starts from us, I. So we should take the responsibility to take care of the society, friends, schools, parents and the nation.
Treat the country as their own. Don't wait for somebody else to come and do the work on their behalf. It is it's your country. You take the ownership. You do your work faithfully.
आज के जो स्टूडेंट हैं ये देश के भविष्य है, तो फर्स्ट अपॉन पहले अपने स्टूडेंट को अपने गुरुजन, अपने माता पिता और जो समाज में जो है उनका जो आशीर्वाद लेके आगे चलना है।
For future of India, I would request all the young generation to start preparing themselves towards this new change, which is inevitable. You have to embrace it.
It is a responsibility we hold every day through our actions, our values and a commitment to making India better than we found it. And freedom is not just a privilege we inherit, it is our responsibility.
In this occasion, I wish that students like you, the youngsters, those who are in this school, they are our true future nation builder, and they should dream, they should learn, and they should work joyfully so that this dream will again come true.
Today's celebration proves that youth are not waiting for change. They are the change.
Through kindness, curiosity, and innovation, we are building the India of our dreams.
Our deepest gratitude to all our distinguished guests for their valuable time. On that note, this is YJ Navya
And this is YJ Sanchita signing off from Young Journals on Ryan TV. Happy Independence Day!